Okay, good morning, everyone. Today we'll be talking about private information and healthcare markets. So, how do you avoid buying a lemon? What is referred to as a lemon? So, I don't know which chapter I'll be able to describe the lemon problem and explain how the used car market solve it. Describe the asymmetric information problem and explain information problems and other economic problems in healthcare markets. Private information is information relevant to a transaction that is possessed by some market participants but not all. Asymmetric information is a solution in which either the buyer or the seller has private information. How does a market with asymmetric information work? Is a market outcome efficient? Markets for used cars with lemon problem. A lemon problem arises when it is not possible to distinguish reliable products from lemons, that's defective products. There are too many lemons, perhaps only lemons, and too few reliable products, perhaps none. To see how the used car market overcomes the lemon problem, we'll first look at a market that does not have a lemon problem. So let's talk about adverse selection. Adverse selection arises in markets with private information. It is a tendency for people to enter into transactions that bring them benefits from their private information and impose costs on the uninformed party. In the used car market, a low price adversely selects lemons. Owners of lemons have a greater incentive to offer their cars for sale. In the extreme case here, good cars disappeared from the market. Owners of good cars have no incentive to offer them for sale because the market price is less than their own marginal benefit. So pulling equilibrium and separating equilibrium. Pulling equilibrium is the outcome when only one message is available and an uninformed person cannot determine quality. For example, the used car markets with no warranties. Separating equilibrium. This is the outcome when signaling provides full information to previously uninformed persons. For example, the used car market with warranties. Separating equilibrium with screening. With screening that indicates driver types, insurance companies can supply insurance on different terms to different groups of people. With only two groups, aggressive and careful, it can offer premiums at two different levels. A higher premium for aggressive drivers and a lower premium for careful drivers. The number of aggressive drivers decrease. So let's talk about healthcare market. Healthcare market failure. Healthcare is two distinct products: health insurance and healthcare services. With no government intervention, both health insurance and healthcare services would be unprovided. Health insurance and healthcare services would be underprovided for four economic reasons: asymmetric information, underestimation of benefits, underestimation of future needs, and inequality in ability to pay. The healthiest choose a high deductible and a low premium, and the least healthy choose a low deductible and high premium. The market tries to find the separating equilibrium, but the other problems that we examine below make an efficient outcome unlikely. Underestimation of benefit. People don't have enough information to value the benefits of healthcare correctly, so many people optimistically underestimate the health risks they face. They undervalue the insurance policies that help them pay for healthcare, and they undervalue the healthcare resources that stand ready to help them when needed. People take too short a view of the benefits of healthcare. The young and healthy know that they will be old and less healthy and will likely be consumers of healthcare. but they don't plan for that far into the future. So many people perceive too small imaginal benefits from health insurance, and they are not willing to pay what is actually worth to them. Inequality and the ability to pay. Two groups of people are unable to afford adequate health insurance: those with a long-term health problem and the aged. So there is additional social benefits from healthcare for less healthy, older and poorer people. So, alternative public choice solutions. There are three approaches to supplementing or replacing the market are: universal coverage, private and government insurance, or subsidized private insurance.